Citizens' actions and action groups. Citizens must learn to act as watchdogs to protect their own environment from the consequences of unsustainable projects around them. Well-informed citizens not only have rights but also have a duty to perform in this regard. They can join action groups to develop a lobby to strengthen the environmental movements in the country, their state, town or village. Individuals can take one or several possible actions when they observe offenders who for their own self-interest damage the environment for others living in the area. An individual has the right to bring an environmental offense or irritation to the attention of concerned authorities. This ranges from government line agencies such as the police, the forest department, the collector or commissioner of the area, as the case may be. At times, the concerned officials may not be able to easily appreciate complex environmental concerns, and the individual may have to learn how to communicate these issues in a way in which it becomes essential for the concerned officer to act in a pro-environmental fashion. If this does not work, a citizen can seek legal redressal under relevant statutes of law. The Environment Protection Act and the Wildlife Protection Act are the most frequently used legal instrument for these purposes. It is possible to move courts by a public interest litigation and take this up to the Honorable Apex Court, the Supreme Court of India, which in the recent past has given several highly enlightened pro-conservation judgments. Citizen groups can obtain to alternate means of pressure such as rasta rocks, dharnas, etc. to draw attention to important environmental concerns. They can also elicit public support through the press and electronic media. Among the many environmental battles that have been fought in this country Some have been won, while many others have been lost. These projects have led to serious environmental degeneration in spite of the laws intended to control such damage. Thank you. Have a nice day.